Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the vacancy for CA freshers in ABB. The program that they are hiring in is for Global Early Talent Program in finance. Also during this video I will be sharing with you the other vacancies which are available across industries including Big Four and other industries as well. So stay tuned. So let's now talk about what is ABB. So ABB is a type of company which is the technology leader in electrification and automation for the electricity basically. They also serve for the electrical motors, generators, drivers, and services. If I remember correctly, this company was the first one to do the demerger. If I am correct, okay. So this is all about ABB. Let's now move on to the roles that you will be involved in once you will join this global program. So, as you know, you are accounting profession, so we will be engaged in the accounting and reporting stuffs in the initial part. Then you will be also involved in the FP&A role, that is budgeting, forecasting, variance analysis, and then finding out the reason why this has happened, why that has happened. And then again, you will be performing various reconciliations based on that expected and actuals that I had discussed earlier. Also, it may happen that you may get some of the proposals that you need to work in and then report to the management. So it works like that. Also, you may it if sometimes happen that you may need to do some ad hoc reporting to the management. So basically, you will be most of the time interacting with the top management. So it's a very good role to work in. The eligibility criteria is you should be the masters in finance or business administration or economics. I feel if you have done MCOM, then you can apply straight away, and I don't think CA freshers will not be eligible for this particular job vacancy. So you can also apply. Considering if you will have MCOM degree, that will give you an edge, obviously. But all the roles that you will be doing in ABB is related to finance only, that we all do in other industries as a CA. So they will consider accordingly. Now let's on move to the other job vacancies which are available. So Randstad India is the first company which is hiring CA freshers this time. The position is of AM and the team is GL and reporting is corporate finance team. The qualification that we all know is CA. We will be discussing only this in our video. And if you will have Big Four experience, that will be an edge over the other candidates. What should you prepare or what exactly we do in the GL and reporting thing? It is basically related to consolidation, preparation of the financial statements, including P&L, cash flow statements, etc. So you will be involved in the hardcore reporting stuffs if you will join this Randstad India. So prepare accordingly. Most of they will ask this India's questions only. Now, Deutsche Bank. So they are hiring for either analyst or executive role because they didn't mention what will your position. The team that you will be working in is fund accounting. So every banks, whether it is Goldman, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, they have their fund accounting department, Barclays, etc. So you will be involved in the fund accounting. So what should you prepare for this is financial instruments 109, where they have given the accounting entries for derivatives, shares, equity, other than equity, fair valuation at the each month or at the end of the year. You should prepare all of these things before getting into the interview of Deutsche Bank. Now we have EY. So EY is hiring for the role of internal audit or business consulting. You should not consider that business consulting is something that BCG or McKinsey offers. It is internal audit because I have the experience of internal audit, and based on that, I can say that it is not business consulting. The qualification is obviously CA. If you have prior experience of internal audit, that will give you an edge over the other candidate. but most of the people don't have the articleship experience in internal audit profile. So I don't think you will be in a disadvantage or vulnerable situation if you don't have any articleship experience of internal audit of internal audit in your articleship experience. So if you want to share your CV, the subject line should be application for EY in internal audit. So please take care of that thing. Now we have Ananya Renewable Powers. They are hiring for analyst or executive. The role will be FP&A project controlling. What they have mentioned in their roles is basically contains everything. Everything means everything. FP&A, taxation, indirect taxation, internal audit, external audit, everything. So what I could see from their job description, if you will join Ananya Renewable Powers, you will get the exposure for each of the departments and you will be not stuck in any particular department. You will be involved in the budgeting, forecasting, variance analysis, internal audits, taking out the audit queries, discussing it with the top management, doing the return filing for the TDS, GST, and many more. So this is about renewable powers. The other thing is BDO. BDO is hiring for the FDD team, that is financial due diligence team. We all know FDD is a very fascinating industry and fascinating domain, and it's a very niche profile where you have to deep dive into the financial statements to make it normal, and you have to remove the unexpected or irregular expenses or incomes in the financial statements. If you have prior experience in your articleship related to stat audit, or if you have done FDD, then you will have an edge over the other candidates. But then if you have other exposure in other domains, then I think you will not be able to make it. But still, there's no harm in applying in every department because it's a very great department to work in. So talking about the locations, the Randstad is for Chennai. So if you are looking for Chennai, so you can straight away apply for it if you want to relocate to South India. EY is Bangalore, Deutsche Bank is Mumbai. And for your kind information, the interview for this bank will be face to face. That means you need to travel to Mumbai if you got shortlisted. So be prepared for that. And before applying, keep it in your mind. The other companies, BDO and Ananya Reasonable Powers, both will be based out for Bangalore. For Ananya, it was not mentioned where will be the location in the post, but then when I go through their website, it seems that the position is for Bangalore only. So I'm not very much sure about this particular thing. For the links and the email IDs for each of the companies will be given in the description box of this video. You can check out there. So if you want me to prepare these kind of videos for more upcoming CA freshers profile, please let me know and do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.